Yeah.
Testing.
Hello folks, everybody. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are, whatever country you live. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So we're here. Have you seen this? We're preparing and we're making a decoration for our small Christmas party later for our, we have team to the church. So take a look. It's a simple one, guys. And then we're inflating balloons and Butch helping me for this. Actually, I had inflator. I just don't know where I put this or who borrowed it. So I'm using this this is an inflator for John's, my son's bike. So this balloon, I will be putting it later, guys. As you could see, the rope stick into that. It's a decoration. So we'll put some balloon beside here. Oh. So I'm trying to prepare it for so later we keep on putting na lang on the rope. This is us every Christmas here. Simple gathering, people celebrate their own Christmas. Tomorrow is December 24, Noche Buena at the night. So, maybe I'll be showing you. Actually, Christmas here, we don't prepare much food or we don't cook a lot. Mostly it's before the New Year's come. So, I'm planning to just cook graham cake tomorrow and then spaghetti and fried chicken. We're just three here anyway, so everybody has a food. We don't need to, and of course, you have to wise spending your money because there's New Year pa, guys. So, expensive, trust me. Maybe $50 for the, it's a season of Christmas here. You cannot let the Christmas naman preparing natin. Oops! This is the color of 2026. Brown, violet, blue, green, maroon.
Like a chocolate balloon.
Like the poo, color of the poo. Poops.
Like chocolate balloon.
So, you watch us, guys. This is us every, So, later at 5 p.m., I will also take some clip of vlog for our celebration later.
Kind of starts looking red once you blow it up.
Yeah. Look at, guys. But I got it to Butch because he's already pissed off. Look.
It keeps coming apart.
It's part of life.
Made in China.
No, Philippines. Give me the rug. It's okay. We need to be sacrificial because I don't know who borrowed my balloon inflator, guys. Trust me. So, I'll make it patiently doing it. We'll be finished here. It's 5 o'clock pa naman.
Big enough.
I think so. Do you remember you? Hi, I have a lot of subscriber here maybe. But let me see your name. Alijaja
Ice creaming over there.
Yes. To have entry for my Yes, yes, guys. What's your preparation, guys, for Christmas? You could share yours, mostly in the Philippine culture. This is first Christmas, Butch first Christmas in the Philippines, and it could be New Year. So, this kind of things, they don't have it. But in the Filipino culture, even Filipino is struggling, no money, but still, they have to celebrate like this Christmas. Filipino people are happy, even struggling, no money, and as long as They are not
They
sick.
do.
I'm tired na. I
They're
cannot.
blue. If you know, you know.
This is favorite color. Blue or red?
Huh?
What's your favorite color?
Red.
Red. Hello everybody, Merry Christmas, welcome.
Greenwood envy. What the oddly shaped on there.
Like pututoy.
Kind of look like a shape of a
Honey, yun naman ang tired na eh.
pear.
I'm tired na guys. It's ano naman eh. Yeah. Nap na.
Is that enough balloons?
I will use it all.
Over here.
This one.
Might have to get another bag.
No, no. You. Let get me rest even 2 or 3. I'm tired na eh.
Good?
Okay.
Knocked my water off the table. You ain't gonna get very many more in there. Okay.
Black but purple when you inflated it, no?
Mhm.
Look black.
I think the blue ones match mine better.
Cute guys, purple. Ina. Nap. Rest muna, rest. You're tired na. I'm tired na too. How many more? 6 pieces more.
They're
Okay.
not, all of them ain't gonna fit in there. Get another bag. So we won't be wasting our time.
Oh, hold it, ano.
I told you, fool.
It's not gonna be wasted naman, guys, because I could use it for the next week trash can. Trash bag. Okay?
Okay?
Ready?
They could have made this about a foot longer, but a whole lot better. You can get a better stroke.
Last one to you and then I'll be the next. That's a good exercise, guys, for Butch because his back hurting.
What the hell, my back.
Last one, and I'll be the last four. Last one for you. Okay. It's not easy, but you know, guys, we have to start now because later. Oh God, hurt.
If I was at home, I'd just plug in my air compressor.
Yeah, I wish. I forgot to borrow it, guys, but it'll be finished. Last four. Patience.
I have,
Patience.
what, 2 air compressors back home?
What happened? Broke na, no?
No, it's not broke. I get all the grease off my hands.
Okay. Last four, I will be the one naman. You will be holding like this. I'll find something.
I'll stomp it, it won't bother me to stomp.
I will end this na nga. No people here.
It's a jolly holly Christmas and a happy New Year.
Last four.
Ready?
Oops.
That's an ugly one there.
Oops.
Yeah,
This is one of the color of 2026, honey.
it's kind of ugly. Wow, the big old giant elephant ears are worse, changing colors. You get
Yeah.
yellow streaks all through it.
You really big fan of that elephant ear na yan.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah. Like who?
I broke it that time. Yep, it's broke.
No muna.
Yeah, we can throw it in the garbage and air them up by hand.
Oh my God.
It's broke off.
Up. Remove your feet. Foot. Enough.
Big enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Them nasty tasting.
Guys, it's broke na eh. Butch broke this. It's broken, Lucho. Last two.
We'll have a airing up contest who can air it fast. Did you have another one? Ready?
Enough!
That's from a 40-year-old smoker. The non-smoker will work you need air worn up.
That last piece, honey. Very good. There, enough, honey. Thank you. Thank you guys. So we'll be right back to show you more what we're going to be next. Okay, for now we just finished putting in air. Thank you for my love, Buchi. But I can't-
Merry Christmas 2025.
Merry Christmas. Welcome to 2026. Soon, 1 week to go. Love you guys.
Followers mo ako
Yes, hi guys. Merry Christmas everyone. This is Temteri / Miriam kasi si Miriam na ang papalit next year. Ay nako, declaration niya. Isasama ko na si ate sa US, wag kang ano dyan. Tapos ano po ito, this is our Temteri at Thanksgiving # Covenant Party 2025. Look at guys, tapos actually in our Filipino culture, we always celebrated like this. You know, kainan, walang balot yung syrup, no, nakita tuloy. Pero okay na yan, pampabango sa damit. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo po yung food. Yan, ang sasarap. So, hindi ang food plato yan. Ito si Miriam, pasensya na kayo. Ang laki niya po. Grabe yung paa. Para ano to? Nakain, oh, buto-buto na. Charot lang. Yung paa po ng manok. Chicken feet. Yan. Tapos,
bashers. Lahat ba talaga bashers?
joke lang, ganyan sana. Ayan, tapos po ito gabi yan, yan, sarap po yan manghang. Tapos ito ay chop suey, ayan po ang aming mga pagkain. Tapos sotanghon with bahala na, spaghetti. And look at a lot of gifts. Dito ako excited guys sa gift na, yan. Tapos po, ayan, ito ang aking residence, ang venue. Ito po yung mga bata na makukulit. Tandaan nyo po yung mga mukha na to, charot lang. Ayan, so, biro lang po yan. Kasi malay nyo ba huling Christmas nyo nang kasama ako sa Pilipinas? Ayan po sila. Tandaan nyo yung mga pagmumukhang yan. Kasi kung sakali, marami po kayong bibigyan ng regalo. Ayan. We're not complete yet. We're still waiting some people are member of, Team Tere. Ayan po. And in a few minutes, I'm gonna light up my tree here. My Christmas light here. It's still daylight, so sayang ang kuryente. Ayan po. Ang aming small venue. Take a look. Guys, I was rushed to prepare this because they don't have venue to celebrate. Actually, sige, wag na. Wala nang drama. Ayan. So far, this is it for now. I'm gonna show you more a lot later. Kapag po kami ay kumpleto na at nandyan na po si Pastora. Andyan na pala si Pastora. Ayan. Ayan na po yung aming panauhing pandangal here. Merry Christmas po. Ayan, ang daming regalo. Ayan. Dumating na po sila. Galing pa po yan sa iba. So, ayan. Thank you so much. Walang bangkong dala? Ay, nako. Wala na bang dadati? Yung mga anak ko pa. Yung mga disciple ko pa. Ayan po. Sige, humabol sila habang may lupa. Ayan. Kulang pa po kami guys. Ano yan? Babalutin ko pa pala to. So, yan. So far guys, ito muna po kasi marami pang ganap. And later, I'll update you what's going on and what's gonna happen at the middle of our party. You guys, say hi naman sa vlog namin. Sumahod na. Ay, alam nyo, sumahod na kami sa aming YouTube. Thank you, Lord.
Wow, talaga?
Per sahod namin, $120. Pumasok na po sa account namin. Salamat. Nagbubunga ang paghihirap namin. O, diba? Kaya, ayan.
Followers mo naman ako dun sa...
$120 sinahod namin. Pumasok na sa account namin. Thank you so much. Kaya may naibili ako ng balloon. Charot. So, ayan po. So far, ayan na, ha. So, I'm just glad. Yun naman yung isang last Christmas ko na po ito dito. Kaya, enjoy nyo na yung mukha ko. Hindi natin alam kung anong plano ng Lord. O, diba? Hahabol daw sila. Sabi ko, humabol habang may lupa. Lagi na lang humahabol yung mga hindi na nagbago. So, ayan, ikakat ko po muna. See you later. Magkakainan, magpiprayan, magkukobinan. Ano po muna kami. Thank you guys. Thank you so much everyone. See you later. I'll gonna light up my tree na, my Christmas light na po.
Pindad, 10. 10 piso isang pindat Pindat 10. Ulit po tayo para malinaw po ha.
Ay, usap ko.
100. Ulit, kindat
Doon ka, huwag mo marami.
Dalawa. 1, 2, 3,
Ah!
4, 5, 250. 252. Oh! Parahan niyo.
Gugulong namin
Oo.
Gugulong namin sa isa. Tinignan ko kung tama yung action niya.
Oo.
Gets nyo? Yung nasa
Ay,
huli,
ibig
siya
sabihin-
magsasabi ng number ng disgrasya niya.
Sino yung nasa huli? Siya yung magkano? Sino po yung huli?
Don't touch it. Very, very
Hindi,
slow.
sinunod ako. Kaya kasalping ganyan.
Maharika yan, anak.
Lahat kayo mag-action din.
Lahat po kayo. Pila na po. Sino ang saunahan para sa inyo?
Sino yung
Ako magkikis, ayaw ko maghula-hula.
Ikaw naman.
Ayaw ko mag... Ako maghula, sila mag-action.
Pila dito.
Pero yung dulo sa dulo. Ikaw mo.
Galing kayo.
Pumili ah.
Kayo maghinat-hinat sa akin.
Sino na? Si nanay
Si
na
nanay
lang.
na may huli.
Nanay na lang yung pinakamanguhula. Guess na number na yan. 100 to.
Hirap pa kainin yan.
Mamaya, isang game lang ba?
Sampung piso na
Buti nga
lang.
talaga okay siya eh. Kasi nung isang
Hindi
hindi ko
ko yung
naman.
manguhula ng number.
Wala pa.
Ay, ganito yan.
Ganito din kami.
Di ba nakapila si Ana Hasen?
Yan, pila.
Action mo kay Ana
Sige,
Hasen.
tapos dito sa akin.
Kaya 200, nag-action ako. Kailangan na-gets mo siya. Kaya naharap ka ngayon dito sa kaharap mo. I-action mo muna yung binulong doon. Hindi ka wala mabasa. Ibubulong sa siya.
Iba na lang, ang hirap na yan.
Dito ka natin.
Ganda lang pala nung natin. Gagamit ang ano.
Ano ba?
Kaya gets na.
Gets nyo na?
Tapos piso.
Pili kayo doon. Sige, pila.
Dalawa.
Huli ka, mami. Hindi doon.
Dito ka ba sa
Kaya ka, tatawagin ko itong dalawa. Ibubulong ko sa kanila kung ano yung action niya. Ano yung action mo din? Si Mayo mag...
Si,
Kayo kami maghuhula eh.
yan,
sino?
Ate Malu, wag ka pala naman ng tuktok. Ate Malu.
Ay, wait lang, kasi
Pare-pares lang ko ng number ha.
Wait lang, wait lang. Makaka-copyright ako pag may tugtog eh.
May 3 spoon. Oh, nga. Bigit, bigit. Bakit di ako matong? Alam mo lang mo ah.
6
Ang gagawin niyo pag yung mga number na yun, apple. Pag binanggit niyo, mali kayo ha.
Apple. Basta.
Sige,
Alas,
Ala.
One. Ganon. Kawawa.
Sige, sige ulit.
Kawawa yung kasunod.
Sige, sige. 1.
To.
galing.
Gusto mo yan.
Ganon pala. O, sige.
7. Ako ulit. Ano lang yun? Ryan.
Sige.
Ryan.
Kaya lang, ngayon
Bisa
siya.
kayo malo. Bisa kayo malo.
1, 2, 3, go.
2.
Ah.
4.
Uy, 8 ka na. Hindi naman ako si mama eh.
Ay, hindi siya kasali.
Hindi naman sabi siya.
Seven, di ba? Oo, 7.
8. 9. Hindi niya mabanggit siya eh. Basta yung ano sa yung
Add numbers, di ba?
6, 9.
Mali ka din. Siya na kasi ako para di pa kami apat.
Yan, dito ka.
Ate na yung mabanggit yung 3, 6, 9. Alang ha. Tanggal na po si Ate Ana. May bawas na. Ulit. Seconds lang. 1, 2, out.
One.
2. 4.
1. Out ka na, Jen.
Baka si Jen.
Parang naiiyak sila. Sige, sige. Ate Malu. Ryan Enero.
Tapat mo lang yan sa akin. Ay.
One, two, four, five,
Seven.
one.
One minute na lang.
Huwag mo sinabi.
Segundo na lang.
Sinabi mo kaya ba yung nala?
Two.
Four.
One.
Tanggal yun.
Tanggal na po si nanay. Nay, sagot lang.
Tapat mo lang sa akin. Ka na lumapit yan.
1, 2, 3, go.
One, two. Ano?
Oy! Umilig. Ano yan? Eh, tinan mo, 6 siya. Umilig si...
Seven.
Yes, si Rogel.
Ako nga rin na ako. Sabi ako.
Laksan na kasi.
Alaksan nyo na para
Opo,
maling
sige.
Sila na lang kami.
Apat.
Pagkutang lang kami.
Oh, dadamihan natin. Hanggang 15. Oh, hanggang 15 ah. Alam mo na, 15. Yung ano, 11. Yung 13.